Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. This is Baljeet. In this video we are going to fix Samsung 55-inch smart TV. No power at all, it doesn't turn on. I have done couple things. I checked on YouTube, there was a lot of instructions. I tried all, basically they was trying to help how to reset software. Didn't work at all, so I tried all. So I decided to work a little bit more deeper to fix this one. I'm going to work on hardware. So what I did, I actually opened this TV from the back side and I checked there was two boards inside. One power board, the other one was like control board something. That's all I have it, other than they have a on off button to just turn off and on. The rest are like sensors maybe on the side and the display something. In this video we are going to try replace one of the board, gonna help us see if this TV are gonna come back to life again. If not, then time to buy a new one. So those electrical boards I bought it both for $70-$80. I'm not sure which board gonna work, but I ordered both. In this video we will be replacing one at a time and see which one going to help. So you might gonna have a same issue, and will help you. I'm gonna remove this from the wall mount, bring it here on floor, and we're gonna take part from the back side, then I will have a video continue. So now I have removed the TV from the wall mount and it's on my carpet, ready to take all the screws off so I can access those two motherboards. Before I process, I don't remember the model number, so that's the model number. Just in case you're curious, I will also leave on the screen when I will be editing video. To access those motherboards inside, we have to remove all the screws. They are like a Phillips screws. We're gonna remove all screws, then this metal plate will come off, and there's power board and there's a control board over here. So there's both boards are here. That's the power, that's the control board. Power board was cost like $32 plus tax and shipping. Control board was like $28 plus tax and the shipping. So both are cost me $80. I will also leave a link in description or the board model number, whatever I get information. I think the best idea, you open your TV first, take a picture, detailed picture, all the numbers on it, just try to match if you can find. I couldn't find anywhere else beside eBay. eBay I found both new. They're both are new boards. eBay have a lot of those. All the screws been removed already. I'm gonna point a little bit where the screws are. I have removed two screws here, one over here, two there, and two all the way in. On the top side we have a latch. You just need some kind of flat head tiny screwdriver like that. Just pick it up from anywhere, take up, pull it back. Here we go. Now you have access to those boards we're gonna replace one by one. That's they call power board. I have a couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna remove all the screws and we're gonna disconnect these cables. They just push pins. These one from the side. Only two cables. Power cable I have removed already. Here. We'll take off those screws. Okay, I have removed old board. We're gonna put new one here. That's new board. We're gonna put it on. I will put a couple screws, at least 2 or 3, so this board doesn't move. That's all. Power cable. As soon as we plug in, the light's supposed to be come on, light at the front. I'm gonna flip TV upside down so light will be on the top. Okay, we're ready to plug in. Let's see. No, the power light still off. The light here need to be turned on. So now we're gonna try control board. After everything works, then we're gonna switch old board back because it's not the power board. I'm gonna unplug again. We have to flip it back again and change control board. On again, I will flip it back at the same way. So right now I have replaced both boards. It doesn't turn on at all again. So it could be the button or something else. That's all you can replace on this TV, I believe. I'm gonna try troubleshooting something else, see if it will work. So after replacing both boards, power and control, it didn't work at all. And I have to troubleshoot a little bit more. I have to disconnect speakers, Wi-Fi, like little board, electronics. And I also have it disconnected. This plug, I believe this one backlight for the TV. And after disconnecting that plug, you can see my TV comes on, but screen still dark. It could have a sound, but it will not work because the backlight, I believe. So I'm gonna open this one too, see how easy or hard to replacing the backlights. If not, I'm done with this TV. I'm gonna return those motherboards and time to buy a new TV. Let me see what I can do. So I was able to remove display and access to the back side. I'm gonna show you where I am right now. Like, now we have to remove these two things from the top, and will be access to the LED lights. So there's a lot. I checked online. They're expensive and a lot of work to replace. You can see this one is burned. This one, there's a couple. I will not replace lights, but I will disconnect the ones are burned. You can see this one. This one looks okay. There's a couple. Top row good. I think these are all are burned. The bottom row basically. I will disconnect and turn TV on, see how I can make it work. But I believe the parts are so delicate, like this screen is so thin, and I'm not sure if I will be able to put it back. So you can try those boards and other stuff. Other than, I think we are failed to be fixing this TV.